good evening, wherever you are. This is Ogoma on this channel. So guys, today I am starting a 10-day green smoothie challenge. I am doing it with Ophieli family. I'm going to put a link below. Okay, so this is all about green smoothie, nothing else. You could drink it morning, afternoon, night, or if you choose, twice a day. I'm going to be snacking on something, and that thing is going to be almond nut if I feel like, okay? So today I want to weigh myself to see how much I weigh, and then on the 5th day I'm going to weigh again, then on the 10th day I'm going to weigh again. All right, if you want to join us, feel free to join us. I'm going to put the ingredients that I'm going to use today, which is day 1, in the description box below, so you can follow it if you want to. And if you can throw in some exercise. I'm going to be doing a lot of dancing. That's going to be my exercise. I'm going to do a lot of dancing to help, you know, the green smoothie. All right, if you cannot, that's fine. Just go ahead and do your 10-day green smoothie. You're still going to see the result. All right, so let's weigh myself. I have my weigh here, so let me position the camera so we can weigh and see how much I weigh right now. Okay, so it's 199. So big. Anyways, I'm tall, so I'm gonna kind of consider that big bones. Anyways, so it's 199. So on the 5th day we're gonna weigh again, and then on the 10th day we're gonna weigh again. But meanwhile, stay tuned while I begin this 10-day green smoothie challenge. Feel free to join me. It's free. You're not gonna die. It's not so hard. I hope not. I haven't done it before, but I believe, fingers crossed, it's going to be super good. So see you on the 5th day. Thank you for joining me. Feel free to join in this if you want to hit LD, you want to leave LD, or you want to shed those pounds. All right, so see you on the 5th day. Like, share. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And thank you to all those amazing 5,000 people that subscribe. You are all amazing. God bless you. Thank you. See ya. Hey guys, how are you doing? Okay, so today is day 5 of the 10-day green smoothie challenge. So we're gonna weigh. I'm gonna weigh myself, and we're gonna see how many pounds that I have lost. I feel it. I look it. So let me show you guys. Okay, you can see from what I'm wearing, though, you can see there's a difference. I see there's a difference. I feel it. So I have my weigh machine here. I'm gonna go ahead and step on it. Let's make it, okay, now it's on 0. Now I'm gonna step on it. Yay! As you can see, 194. That's good, because that day was 199 point, let's just say 200 pounds. So today now is 194. That's progress for 5 days of green smoothie challenge. You see why you have to join me in this challenge? See you on the 10th day. Hopefully it's way much different. See you.